With emergency repairs at your home, it can be overwhelming, and you may look for a public insurance adjuster to help you simplify the process. But one NBC10 Responds viewer says it only made his situation worse. So he called Tracy Davidson for help.
The floor was soaking wet. The carpet, the walls, the interior walls.
James McCusker tells us he felt in over his head when a leak in his neighbor's condo trickled down into his unit.
I've never done this. I've never had a claim, so it's kind of new to me.
Unsure of how to navigate the insurance process, he went online looking for a public insurance adjuster, someone who could handle his end of the insurance claim.
I found the first adjuster on there. I looked at the reviews. They looked great.
James says he signed a contract with Garden State Public Adjusters, stating his insurance company must speak directly with the adjuster, cutting him out of the equation. That's typical for public adjuster contracts. According to James, the adjuster came out to evaluate the damage and scheduled a contractor to begin demolition. The contractor showed up once, but didn't finish the job. That was in July.
The bathroom, all the walls are still torn out. The vanities destroyed, the lights hanging off the wall.
He's tried to contact Garden State Public Adjusters numerous times via phone and email, but says he hasn't gotten a response. His insurance company couldn't tell him much due to the contract he signed with the adjuster. It did confirm sending a check for more than $1,300 to Garden State, but told James it was never cashed.
I just want to resolve this. I just want to move forward with this. How we can do this, I don't know. That's why we're reaching out to Channel 10.
We reached out to Garden State Public Adjusters numerous times, but did not get a response. We also asked the New Jersey Department of Banking and Insurance what someone in a situation like this can do. It suggested filing a complaint with them, so that's what James did.
Communication, that's all we need here.
Banking and Insurance contacted Garden State Public Adjusters, and within 30 days, the company sent James this letter, saying it was ending its contract without charging any fees, so he may proceed with his insurance company on his own. The Department of Banking and Insurance conducted an investigation and put together a report which says, in part, they did acknowledge your concerns and admitted to delays and possible other issues due to COVID-19. However, were unable to elaborate. The report went on to say, according to the public adjuster, it never received the check that James's insurance company mailed last summer. As for James, he's making progress with his insurance company, and they will send all future reimbursements directly to him.
Thank you so much for doing this interview with me and helping me along the way.
Tracy Davidson, NBC10 Responds.
The National Association of Public Insurance Adjusters tells NBC10 before hiring a public adjuster, research more than one company and look for reviews in places other than their own websites. Check with the Department of Banking and Insurance to verify the adjuster is licensed and bonded, and check with the trade associations for recommendations. If you have a consumer problem, you can give NBC10 Responds a call at the number right there on your screen, or you can submit a complaint on NBC10.com/response.